Unleash the power of Durock Primer Sealer, the high-quality solution for flawless floor underlayment. Whether your subfloor is porous or non-porous, concrete, wood, or gypsum underlayment, this versatile product has you covered, delivering exceptional performance with a single coat application. What sets Durock Primer Sealer apart is its rapid drying time and the ability to enhance adhesive bonds, ensuring a solid and long-lasting foundation for your floor coverings. This product is ready to use, with no dilution required for non-porous surfaces, saving you time and effort on your projects. Mildew resistance and no adverse effects on floor covering adhesives or staining, Durock Primer Sealer maintains the integrity of your flooring, even in challenging conditions. Each gallon covers an impressive 350 square feet, providing excellent value for your investment. Elevate your flooring prep with Durock Primer Sealer, the ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Enhance the longevity and performance of your floors, ensuring a solid and beautiful foundation for your space.